Welcome to World Cycling Sports Car, where today we're more than delighted to offer this 1938 MGTA. It's a UK right-hand drive matching numbers car finished in gloss black with red leather upholstery. The car has been subject to an older restoration which is of top quality, completed around 2010. Every aspect of the car, from all angles, underneath, on top, inside and out, is just stunning. There are numerous photos of the undercarriage on our website. I will just bend down and aim the video camera underneath for you, but you'll get more ideas with the still high quality, high definition photos on the website. Let's walk around the car. As you can see, gorgeous from every angle. We'll now go closer to look at some details of the car. Okay, as you're looking along the front apron there, with the fog lights and the horn and the radiator grille, highly polished chrome in perfect condition. Paintwork gleams, chrome headlamps, trafficators which work. They're a modern addition, as you will be aware. Okay, coming down the driver's side, if you look at the line of panel gaps and the bonnet line, coming onto the bulkhead and the window screen, again perfect chrome. Looking up the vents on the bonnet, this is how straight the car is. The running boards, the front wings, driver's door, over the wheel arch. The car's got the side curtains with it, stored away behind the seat. It's got this wet weather protection also. Looking onto the chassis. There we go. This is of the highest quality. And again, coming down the near side, if you look at the gleaming paintwork and how straight and level it is, certainly a lot better than when it was new. And looking down the bonnet, right, underside, what we can show you now, everything's been stripped down, fully nut and bolted and repainted as necessary. There you can see the chassis lubrication system, pipework. Again, under the rear arches, you can just see into the rear axle there. Inside the car, this gorgeous wooden dashboard, the instruments in top order, it's just absolutely super. Leather upholstery, obviously a more recent addition. Seats, door cards, perfect condition. Look at the quality of that workmanship. The carpets, lovely fitted. That's under the dash area. Across to the passenger side. All the chrome work on the internal latches has all been re-chromed in perfect condition. This is a gear lever there. So that's just super. I'll just pause for a moment and I'll open the engine lids for you to have a look under the engine bay with the engine running. Thanks. Okay, under the bonnet of the car. So the twin SU carbs there. The engine number there, it's a matching numbers car. Let's see, self-lubricating system. Reserve tap for the fuel pump. There's a toolkit in the car. Again, the detail of the car, the bulkheads and everything is just the same as on the outside of the car. Right, just come around the other side and lift that up for you as well. While we're doing that, I'll just show the detail just around the top of the dashboard there. Electric wiper motor. Again, on the left hand side of the engine, the lubrication system, everything nicely detailed a number of years ago and looked after very well since. Chrome rocker cover. And the engine plaque there is TA2625, which was manufactured 1938. So there we have it. If you are interested in one of these cars, quite rare now, this is by far the best I've seen for a long time. Give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website for more details, walsideclassics.co.uk. A little MGTA with the wet weather gear attached. As you can see, it's a perfect condition, nicely fitted soft top. Matching side curtains there, two piece, one for the rear, one for the front. So again, passenger side, inside, you can't really see it, but the framework is all been restored also. So there we have it. If you are interested, as I say, give us a call, 01507 606 725 or walsideclassics.co.uk. Okay, we'll just give you a buzz up the road in this little MGTA. Drive straight ahead, steering wheel holding line, doesn't pull anywhere. In fourth gear now. Not the quickest thing in the world, we're doing 40 miles an hour. Next roundabout. So it's got indicators, this car. With a modern edition obviously, but for modern traffic it's quite essential. motoring, fully restored, everything working as it should do, all the gauges all working. It's just lovely. So if you are interested in this little car, not just a trailer queen, it can be used obviously, as you can see. Give us a call on 01507 606 725 or go on the website roadsters.co.uk.